In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro Team Invite link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to access your team's shareable link so you can bring new members on quickly and securely. Start by signing into Canva on your computer and make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one team. The invite link is specific to the team you're currently working with, so it's worth confirming you're in the correct workspace before you share anything. From your Canva dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner and click the profile icon. It's the circular icon that usually shows your photo or initials. This opens up your account area and gives you access to options that affect your profile and teams. Next, click on Settings. This takes you to the area where Canva keeps all the key controls for your account and team. Give the page a quick glance to confirm you're looking at the settings for the team you intend to invite people to. If you use Canva Pro with multiple teams, this page helps you avoid sharing the wrong link. Within the Settings view, find and click on Invite People. This is the dedicated place for adding new members to your Canva Pro team. Once you're there, you'll see the tools Canva provides to bring people in, including a shareable team invite link. That link is exactly what you need. Copy it and share it with the people you want to join your team through your preferred channel, like chat or project management tools. When someone opens it, they'll be guided to join your team in Canva. A couple of practical tips while you're here. Depending on your role, you may be able to set default permissions or roles for people who join with the link. If you don't see the invite link or certain options, it could be a permissions issue. Only team owners or admins typically have full access to invitation controls. Also keep in mind that inviting new members to a Canva Pro team may add paid seats to your subscription, so share the link only with people who genuinely need access. If you ever suspect the link has been shared too widely, return to the same Invite People area to review your options for managing access. That's all there is to it. Click the profile icon, go to Settings, then open Invite People to access and copy your Canva Pro Team invite link. With this done, you can onboard collaborators in just a few seconds.